I'm stuck. 哎，看到我了吧？这么远啊！知道我们现在在哪里吗？哎，来，近一点，近一点，跟你说。哎，大家欢迎回到我们的频道，我是你的好朋友艾德蒙，带你来看看你不认识的南加州。今天我们踩点的地方非常特殊啊，是哪里呢？看看海浪哦，海鸥啊，并没有。我们今天来的地方叫做 Wild River， 是这个尔湾这边最近刚刚新开了一个水上乐园，它里面有像是这个云霄飞车啊、水上滑道啊、造浪池，然后 Lazy River 像这样的一些项目，等它全部盖好，有20公顷，有20多个项目。你等等。他妈的小差不多就得了，我什么情况 ？What's going on, Pierce? Hey, how you doing, man? Good seeing you, man.
Good to see you.
What's happening? We haven't been seeing you in a while.
I know it's been a while. Yeah, I've been here all the time. What are you doing here?
Well, I kind of own the place. No, I'm just kidding. No. But so since you're here all the time, you wanna take me around? Show me around a little bit. Let's do it, man. Let's go. What a hot day, man.
Oh yeah.
Well, since we're at the park, do you know the history of this park?
No.
So from what I know, this is not the first time the Wild River has shown its presence in Irvine.
Really?
So in 1986, Wild River was actually established in Irvine, but due to the fact that the lease was up in 2011, it was, it has to close. So it became a lot of people's memory, childhood memory nonetheless. But due to the popular demand, it was reopened this year. They spent over $60 million to revamp this park. Now this park has over 20 acres of land and 20 amenities. So it's becoming, at its best glory ever. So this is exciting.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, speaking of which, I mean, this is located in Irvine. You are in Irvine. I heard you just recently moved over there.
Yep.
Can you tell me why Irvine?
So I think Irvine is the best place in Orange County compared to the other cities with the schools, with all activities, everything, and all the great shops, great restaurants around us. It's amazing. And as of buying a home here, you're gonna have great, resale value in few years. You're gonna have great investment in Irvine.
Sounds like a city that has everything, doesn't it?
Yeah, it has everything for sure.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I know you are Iranian, correct?
Yeah.
So I'm Chinese. Obviously, there's different types of cuisine here. They're not in the shortage of Asian cuisines here, but do they have Middle Eastern food here? Good ones?
Oh yeah, we have tons of them. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna take me to some of that next time?
Oh yeah, for sure I will.
All right, let's do it, man.
Yeah, let's do it.
Next time I'll be running into you, hopefully somewhere in Irvine as well.
For sure, yeah.
All right, man. Well, for those of you who watch our show, 记得要点赞、订阅，还有开启你的小铃铛，好不好？We love you.